Good morning, everybody. I'm sure you are enjoying your holiday, and I'm very sure you have gone through the videos. We have 3 videos you go through. I'm very sure you have gone through them. The purpose of having this topic on videos is just for you to go through the topic again and again. It's with hastening your understanding. You'll be able to get the scope over and over again. So far we have learned a lot. We have learned the definition of set, we have learned types of sets, we have learned union, complement, intersection, and then we are now in Venn diagram. The other time we did 2 circles Venn diagram. This time around we are going to do 3 circle Venn diagram. So before we go to examples on this, I will need to explain to you what each of these means so that you can interpret them in your mind. Look at this one here. The first one here. In the 2 circle Venn diagram we did, this one here we call it P only. This one is Q only. This one is R only. Now this one, can you see this place? The intersection of P and Q is this place here. Intersection of P and Q. Look at this place. This place here is intersection of Q and R, and look at this place, intersection of P and R. Look at this place here, 5. So this is the intersection of all the 3 circles P, Q and R. Okay, now the outside, I've told you the outside, they are complements. I mean the elements that are in the universal set, but they are not in P, Q and R. So let's look at them one after the other. Now the first region 1 elements set of P only. I've just explained it. We can write it like this. This is P only. It can be P minus Q minus R. P only. You know P is the beginning. You remove Q from it. You remove R from it. Now it gives you P, you need intersection Q prime intersection R prime. You remember the way we did the 2 circle Venn diagram where we put P intersection Q prime. That one is P only, but this thing we have 3 circles rather, 3 parameters we are going to use, P, Q and R. So this P only will be P intersection Q prime intersection R prime. Now look at this element common to P and Q. I've explained that one to you. So that is P and Q, but you know R is not there, but not R. P and Q, element common to P and Q, but not R. So you remove R from it. You can also write it like P intersection Q intersection R prime, because R is not there. Now look at region 3. Region 3 is Q only. You know, Q only, that means you are going to remove P from it, you are going to remove R from it. So that will be P prime. Since it's Q only, Q will not have prime, then R also will have prime. Q only, P prime, R prime. Is only Q that will not have prime. Invariably you have Q, but you remove P from it and you remove R from it. So elements common to set Q and R only. So that one is region 4. I mean P, Q and R, but not P. Q and R, but not P. Not P, I mean P prime intersection Q intersection R. I mean elements common to Q and R together. Now let's look at region 5. Region 5, element common to the 3 sets. That means P, Q and R. That means elements common to P, R and Q. So that is what we say, P intersection Q intersection R. Then the region 6 means element common to P and R only. P and R only. Do you see P and R only? That means P and R minus Q. Q is not there, so you put minus Q. So if you want to write it in complement form, to be P Q complement, because Q is not there, and R. And then let's look at element in R only. Obviously you know that one is R minus P minus Q. R only, that means P prime Q prime. R will not have prime because it's R only. And then elements that are neither in P nor Q or R. So that means the universal set minus P minus Q minus R. You know, I told you that complements mean elements in universal set but not in the given sets. Here we have 3 sets given, P, Q, R, P, Q and R. So we want to find the elements that are not common to the 3 of them. So write this in this form. universal set minus P minus Q minus R, or you write it in this form: P complement intersection Q complement intersection R complement. Obviously it will be outside. So let's go through the diagram again. Let me explain it. This one is P only. P only. How do I write P only? That is P intersection Q prime intersection R prime. I'm just recapping what we have learned. Or you write P minus Q minus R. Now look at this one. This is Q only. It will be P prime intersection Q intersection R prime, or you write Q minus P minus R. Just recapping. Now look at this, please. Elements in R only. So you can write P prime intersection Q prime intersection R. Since Q and R and P and Q are not there, you put prime on P and Q, but you leave the prime. You don't put prime on R. Now look at this. Look at this place. This is element common to P, Q and R. All of them. That will be P intersection Q intersection R. And then let's look at this place. This place here. Element common to P and Q only. That will be P intersection Q intersection R prime. P intersection Q intersection R prime. Okay, that's element common to P and Q alone. Look at this place. Element common to P and R. P and R. That will be P intersection R intersection Q prime. You know Q is not there, or you can write P intersection R minus Q prime. P intersection R minus P prime. Now look at this place here. Element common to Q and R only. That will be P Q intersection R intersection P prime, or you write Q intersection R minus P. So the thing is also here again. You can go through them. It's so simple. It's so simple. But mind you, if you want to start drawing this thing, you start from the middle one, the one inside, the one that brings all of them together. Now let's look at examples now. Now look at I brought this one from our textbook, so that in case you have the textbook, you can follow through accordingly. Now let's look at the example. 2,000 people are asked which make of cars they like to have. 300 say Peugeot only. Peugeot only, not Peugeot, if you remember. 500 say Toyota only, not Toyota only. 450 say Datsun only. Okay, 200 say Peugeot Toyota, 150 say Peugeot and Datsun, and 250 say Toyota and Datsun. Now let's look at the first question. If 420 say none of these cars, draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the information, and hence find the number of people who like the 3 cars. Now, how many people like at least 2 of these cars? At least mean 2 and above, 2 cars and above. And then the last one, how many people like both Toyota and Datsun? So let's look at the Venn diagram. The Venn diagram shows the given information. I've told you start from the inner one. The inner one, this is the inner one. S, that's what we want to get, because P intersection T intersection D was not given. I mean, those who love Peugeot and Toyota and Datsun were not given, so you put it as S. So those who love Peugeot only, they are 300. You know, remember we have just done this one. Peugeot only will be P intersection T prime intersection D prime. I mean, Peugeot only P intersection T prime intersection D prime. That is 300. Then those who love Toyota only, that is P prime intersection T intersection D prime. Since it's Toyota only, the prime will be on the other two. It won't be on the Toyota. And those who love Datsun only, that will be P prime intersection T prime intersection D. That is 400. So look at this place here. These are the people who love all the 3 cars. S, we are not giving. 300 love Peugeot only, we write 300 here. 500 love Toyota only, we write 500 here. And 450 love Datsun only, we have 450 here. This 420, none of them loves all the 3 cars right here. Now look at this. Since we have this one, and the question gives us that 200 love Peugeot and Toyota. So since S love everything, so 200 loves Peugeot and Toyota will be 200 minus S. You get that? Now look at this again. We are here now. 180 love Pidgeot and Dasun. 180 love Pidgeot and Dasun. That means 180 minus S will be those who love Pidgeot and Dasun only. Now we come here, we want to get this circle, those who love Dasun and Toyota only, but 250 love Dasun and Toyota. For us to get Dasun and Toyota only will be 250 minus S. So if you bring all of them together, we are going to get 2,000, because it says 2,000 people were asked the type of car they love. So you add everything, I mean all the things in this circle and this one here, add them together. We are here now. If you add them together, you are going to get 2,300 minus 2S is equal to 2,000. So if you do your normal arithmetic, you get S is equal to 150. 2,300 minus 2S is equal to 2,000. If you take this one 2,300 to the other side, you have minus 2S is equal to 2,000 minus 2,300. So minus S is minus 300. So S will be 150. Minus 2S. Okay, there is a mistake here. It should be minus 2S. Textbook can also make a mistake. You can correct it in your notes, please. This one is minus 2S is equal to minus 300. Then S is equal to 150. So those who love all the three cars are 150 in number. Now the question now says, let's look at the second question. The second question says, how many people like at least two of these cars? At least two of these cars means those who love the two cars and above. You know what that one means? Let me show you those who love the two cars and above. This region here, you had this one, all of them love the three cars. This one love two cars only. This P, T, Q, that means they just love one car. So you add all these things together, add this 1, 2, 3, 4. So 200 minus S, we have gotten our S to be 150. Yes, this region will be what? 50. 250 minus S, 250 minus 150, that will be 100. 180 minus 150, that will be 30. You get S to be 150. So you add all of them together, you get those who love two types of the car and above. So let's now look at how to do that one. Those who love at least two cars and above. You see, I've just told you 200 minus S plus 250 minus S plus 180 minus S. See, this is what we are doing. This one, we are adding this. Why are we adding all the three of them? Those who love at least two cars mean two cars and above. These guys, they love Toyota and Dasun. These guys love Toyota. This guy love the Pidgeot and Dasun. These guys love Toyota and Dasun, and these guys love Pidgeot and Toyota. So you add all of them together, add this and this together. When you add them together, you are going to get this, what we have here: 200 minus S plus 250 minus S plus 180 minus S. So add 200 to 250 plus 180, you are going to get 630. So minus S plus S, that one is 0. Minus S, that will give us minus 2S. You get that? And here we have, we have gotten our S to 150. So 630 minus 2 multiplied by S. So that will be 630 minus 300. That will be 330. So those who love at least two cars, they are 330 in number. Then let's now look at the last question here. The last question says, how many people love both Toyota and Dasun? That one is straightforward now. You come here, both Toyota and Dasun. So you come here, okay, where is the question? Toyota and Dasun. This is Toyota and Dasun here. Toyota and Dasun. So let's look at it here. That is it. 250 minus S. Toyota and Dasun. That will be 100. See, this is Toyota and Dasun. This is this place here. Toyota and Dasun. T and D. This region 250 minus S. So you have 250 minus S. That is, our S is 150. That is 100. 100. Okay. Now let's take the next one. The next question. This is question 6.27. Let's look at question 6.28. Please, I want you guys to follow. You can go through it again. It's very straightforward. It's so simple to follow. Now let's start. In a certain private school, 46 students are studying foreign languages. 26 of them are studying French language, 18 are studying German, and 20 are studying Russian. And each of the students are studying at least one of the three languages. If 7 studying French and Germany, 9 studying Germany and French, and 5 studying French and Russia. Show this information on a Venn diagram using S to denote the number of students studying the three languages and find S. Then the last question here says how many studying French only? Exactly 2 of the languages and exactly 1 of the languages. So it's straightforward. So let us analyze what we are given. 1, you first of all write those who are studying all the 3 subjects. S, I told you over and over again, you start from the inside. C, start from the inside here. We have it here. Start from the inside. Now let's now look at this. French. Look at this. You see 7 studying French and German. This one is French and German, but we want to get French and German only. That will be 7 minus S. See this S here, all the 3 languages. This S means all of them, all the students studying all the 3 languages. But this one, French and German, you remove the one studying the 3 languages from it, so that will be 7 minus S. 7 minus S. Now let's now go to the next one. We are also given 9 studying German and Russia. German and Russia. This German, this Russia. 9 of them are studying German and Russia. So but we have S studying all the 3 languages, so that you will remove S from it. That is 9 minus S. And then let's look at the last ones. 5 studying French and Russia. 5 studying French and Russia. This French and Russia. 5 S. 5 minus S. So for you to get this column, that is 5 minus S. So you know we have not gotten French only, we have not gotten German only, we have not gotten Russia only. So that is about that. So now let's now look at this one. Let us start. We have just explained to you those who study French and Russia only, those who study German and Russia only, and then those who study French and German only are here. I've explained that. Now let's now look at those who study only French. How do you get those who study only French? See, we are told that, what are we told? We are told that 26 of them, see it here, 26 of them are studying French. See, 26 of them are studying French. Meaning that, see, all this circle here, all this circle here, all of them are studying French. Here, look at my hand. Now look at this place. All the circle here, all of them are studying German here. Then here, all of them are studying Russia. All of them are studying Russia. All of them are studying Russia. All of them are studying German. All of them are studying French. So now, since all these people are studying French, we want to find these guys here, those who are studying French only. That one is easy now. You've just been given those who are studying French. They are 26, meaning that subtract, add these 3, 1, 2, 3, subtract from 26, you get here, you get French only. Now for us to get German only, how many studying German? We are told that 18 are studying German. Add all these things together, 1, 2, 3, subtract from 18, you get here. Then we are also told that 20 of them are studying Russia. See here, all these people here are studying Russia. So we want to get Russia only. That will be add this thing together, 1, 2, 3, subtract from 20, we get it. So now let's look at how to do it numerically. Those who study French only, I've just told you. You know what? How we denote it now? You remember French only. That means F minus G minus R. If you don't want to use minor, it will be F intersection G prime intersection R prime. F intersection D prime intersection R prime. So French, those who are studying French are 26. See, I've told you, you add all these things together. Add this together. We added them here. Add this one together with this, together with this. So when we do the addition, we're going to get 7 plus 5, that is 12, minus S plus s is 0 minus s here. So if you open this bracket, it turns to 26 minus 12 plus s. So 26 minus 12, that is 14. So 14 plus s. So this place here, those who are studying French only, they are 14 plus s. So how do you now get those who studying German only? You see the same concept. Add all this in together. Subtract from what? Subtract from 18. Now we are here. Now we are adding these 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we have it here. We add this, add this. Subtract from 18. You are going to get 2 plus s. So here you are going to put 2 plus s. Now the last one, those who are studying Russian only, they are 20. Invariably, what do you do here? You add all this one together, then you subtract from 20. Subtract from 20. So we have it here. Now 9 minus s plus 5 minus s. Then you subtract from 20. You are going to get this one, s plus 6. Please give me a minute, please. So I'm back. Thank you. So as we are saying, those who are studying Russia only, you add this together, this here, Russia, add this 5 minus s plus 9 minus s, then you subtract it from 20. That is what we have it here. And you know I would denote it. Russia only will be you put prime on F and on G, because this is Russia only. It is Russia only. You put prime on F and G since it's Russia only. So if you want to use minor, that will be R minus F minus G. So you get s plus 6. So the total number of students studying in that school is 46. So we had all this thing together, all what we have gotten here together. So that's all we have it here. We want to get the value of s, so that will be s plus 14, s plus 2, s plus 6, s plus 7 minus s plus 5 minus s plus 9 minus s. So when you add them together, equate it to 46. When you equate it to 46, you get the value of s. The value of s will give you 3. The value of s will give you 3. The value of s will give you 3. Now those who are studying, thank you sir, those who are studying French only, see this is French only. So and that is what we got here, French only. See it here, s plus 14. Yes, French only, s plus 14. What is s? We got our s to be 3. So 3 plus 14, that will give us 17. That's how we have 17 here. Now those studying only 2 of the languages, see here, this guy is studying only 2 of the languages, this guy is studying only 2 of the languages, this guy is studying only 2 of the languages, 1, 2, 3. So you add them together, that will be 7 minus s plus 9 minus s plus 5 minus s. We have gotten this one to be 4 plus 6 plus 2, they will give you 12. And then the last one, those studying only one of the subjects, see, that means French only, German only, and Russia only one of the subjects. And then that's all we have it here. That is s plus 14, then s plus 2, s plus 6. As we got it here, how do we get this one? We got it from here. Those who are studying French only, s plus 14. Those who are studying German only, s plus 2. We are adding them together. Those who are studying Russia only, s plus 6. And that's all we have here. S plus 14, s plus 2, s plus 6. So you add together, since we have gotten our s to be 3, whatever you see s, just put 3. You are going to get 31. So you go through this example 6.29 yourself. Go through them. Try to go through them. I will encourage you. Go through the video once again and make sure you understand the concept before you start the classwork and assignment. I sent a link yesterday. The link will expire before you resume. On that link, you put so that I can see all the assignments and classwork together on a page. So you attach classwork 11 to 14 and assignment 11 to 14 on that place, and that you can convert it to PDF if you know how to do it. Convert everything to PDF once you are done with it, and then send it through that link, the link where you saw the assignment. God bless you. Hope to see you in school. Thank you so much. Chaplain ẹ káàárọ̀. Mo ti ṣetán.
One hour class,